You did see that, right? What started out being a Google Pixel 3 versus a Galaxy S9 Plus video camera shootout went south quite quickly. You see, after you guys asked which one of these phones takes a better night shot, I did that video for you, will be up here in the cards, but then you also wanted to know which one takes a better video, and that's a great question. So today's video was going to be all about Google Pixel 3 versus the Galaxy S9 as a good shootout, all the various modes including audio. And yes, you'll still get that on this video, but you're also going to see a little bug I discovered on the Google Pixel 3, something you need to see. Check this out. Hey, welcome to another Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name's Liron Segev, where I make technology simple. If you're into phones, how-tos, tips and tricks, gadgets and apps, hit that subscribe button and let's get on to this little bug I discovered and this camera shootout. It's important to note that there is no stabilization, gimbal or any other stabilizers being used except for the phone itself. However, I did rig up this little device, so I've got the phones basically clipped into this. There's no stabilization, it's just going to help me hold it so that both phones are filming the exact same thing at the same time, just so it's easier to compare. But it's still handheld, no stabilizers. Okay, let's start off with the quick walk. Yep, you saw that too, right? In case you missed it, here it is again. Okay, let's pause that and let's get into the car and go for that quick drive. Let's see if we can replicate that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll keep quiet and you can hear the cars zooming past. Now I can see them both. There we go.
I really hope you're not putting this in the video.
That's amazing. Okay, there doesn't seem to be a problem in the rear-facing camera or the front-facing camera. Okay, let's get on to the electric skateboard. Okay, so that was much more noticeable. So I think what it boils down to is the variable frame rate on the Google Pixel 3. You see, with something like the Samsung, you can actually have at full HD 30 frames per second, you can move it up to 60 frames per second, whereas on the Pixel 3, it doesn't. It just gives you HD 1080p or 4K at 30 frames per second. So it tries to automatically adjust the frames to give you the best shot. And I think that's where the problem is here. Because I was facing down, looking at a high action shot of the skateboard moving along the road, and then I tilted it up to kind of catch the cars going by, that kind of conversion between the fast action and that slow action, maybe the variable frame rates kind of is a bit out of whack there. Which one did you think takes better shots? Do you think it was the Pixel 3 or do you think it was the Samsung S9? So if you've got a Pixel 3, let me know in the comments below if you're seeing the same thing. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, hit the little head below. Check out some of these other cool videos below here, and I'll see you on the next episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy, because that's tech simple. Cheers for now.